ready to transform your creative vision into stunning video productions. First things first, let's access Premiere Pro through the Adobe Creative Cloud app, which is your launching pad. Make sure you have a subscription, then click open, or, if you haven't installed it yet, install. Once Premiere Pro is open, you're greeted with the welcome screen here. You can open existing projects, start a new project, or access helpful tutorials. Let's begin a new project, which will be your blank canvas. Click on New Project. Give your project a name, choose a location to save it, and adjust the settings to match your video's specifications. These settings cover resolution, frame rate, and more, essential in keeping your video looking crisp and perfect for your audience. Click Create. Now you're in Premiere Pro and get to see the core components of the interface. This includes the project panel for importing your videos. Then, you find the source monitor, which is perfect for previewing clips before adding them to the main timeline, where you'll assemble your video. And finally, the program monitor, where you'll view the final result. Let's bring in your video clips. Go to the project panel, and either double-click to import, or drag and drop your files directly into the panel. This makes it super easy to start organizing your footage. Drag your chosen clips from the project panel onto the timeline below. Then, use the tools to trim your clips to the perfect starting and ending points. Add a cross dissolve, like that one here, between clips to begin to create your stunning transitions with finesse. Spice things up by adding text, which is in the effects panel on the right. Fine-tune your video with a new look using color correction tools. Make sure the color is perfect by using the Lumetri color panel. Once you are satisfied, click File and Export. Choose your desired format and settings, and export your video. Premiere Pro has many options available for your videos. You have all the tools you need to create professional quality video. Happy editing. #Adobe Premiere Pro #video editing.